Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen noodles in the microwave. Begin by choosing a microwave-safe bowl and measuring enough water to cover the noodles by about 1 inch. Place the bowl uncovered in the microwave and heat the water until it is simmering but not violently boiling. Preparing the right bowl and water level prevents spills and gives even cooking for the noodles. Start by adding the ramen block to simmering water and cook in 60 to 90-second increments, stirring between intervals. Stirring helps separate the noodles and promotes even heat distribution, so there are no cold spots. Taste a strand after each interval to check texture, aiming for tender but slightly firm. Adjust total time based on your microwave wattage and noodle thickness for consistent, satisfying results. Once noodles are nearly done, remove the bowl carefully and stir in the seasoning packet to retain full flavor and aroma. For a heartier meal, fold in a soft-cooked egg, fresh spinach, or pre-cooked chicken for protein and texture. If you want less sodium, start with half the packet and add more to taste. These small tweaks transform instant ramen into a faster, more satisfying bowl at home.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.